Hi, ako po si Joby, female welder po ako at paalis na po ako papuntang Australia. I've always enjoyed working with my hands and building things. Welding gives me the opportunity to build strong and long-lasting structures, and that inspired me to become a welder. Mahirap nung una since palaging questionin kung ano yung ability mo, and of course you always have to prove yourself and ipakita kung ano yung kaya mong gawin sa kanila. Mga challenges ko is yan, skepticism about my ability, and how I overcame them. I always build my self-confidence before everything else, and I always let my work do the talk. My mentor and my role model sa pagiging welder is my father. Watching him work with skills, determination, motivated me to follow his footsteps. The welding industry is becoming more inclusive na for women. Marami ng opportunity and training programs, pati support network na nabibigay nila sa mga babaeng katulad ko sa gantong field. In the welding industry na nag-shift towards to more inclusive environment where skills and possibility of working here is more na nabibigyan ng pansin kaysa sa mga gender natin. My advice for all the women considering a career in this industry is to go for it with confidence. Don't let the stereotypes and doubts hold you back, because once you prove yourself, you always gain respect. It's one thing na kaya nating patunayan bilang babae na hindi lang nasusukat sa gender kung ano yung kaya nating gawin.